I've always tried to live a healthy lifestyle, eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, avoiding too many late nights. But a few years ago, I noticed my get up and go was getting up and gone. I constantly felt tired and sluggish. I was gaining weight. My skin looked dull. No matter how hard I tried to eat well and work out, I just couldn't get back the energy and vitality I remembered. A visit to my doctor was discouraging. All my tests and numbers looked normal on paper. But I knew I didn't feel good on the inside. There had to be something more to my fatigue and lackluster health. That's when I started researching the importance of detoxification for true wellness. Although I ate plenty of fruits and vegetables, I learned I wasn't getting enough vital phytonutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins to properly cleanse my body of harmful toxins. This toxin overload was slowing my metabolism, hurting my digestion, causing inflammation, and dragging me down. I realized detoxing my body could be the missing piece to achieve excellent health. Click the link in the description box for my free ebook now to learn more about Greenify. Use the link inside the book to get Greenify now. I tried various juices and cleanses. While they helped initially, they were time-consuming, expensive, and not sustainable. Then I discovered Greenify Super Juice, an easy, affordable daily green powder that could detox my body gently but powerfully with ideal doses of over 40 fruits, veggies, herbs, and nutrients. I added a scoop to water or a smoothie each morning and was amazed how quickly I felt a difference. Within days, my energy and mental clarity was returning. Within weeks, my skin was glowing and my digestion improved. And the pounds started coming off almost effortlessly thanks to a faster metabolism. The secret was nourishing my body with nature's most cleansing and nutrient-dense superfoods each day. These days, I'm thrilled to feel healthier than I have in 20 years. And I know it's because Greenify Super Juice is detoxing my cells, protecting me from disease, and providing an abundance of antioxidants daily. I love that it's organic, pure, and free of sweeteners, unlike so many other greens powders full of fillers. Because when you give your body nutrition this powerful, it unlocks unbelievable energy and healing potential. For glowing beauty from the inside out, I pair my daily Greenify Super Juice with Beautify Collagen Powder. My skin, hair, and nails have never looked better thanks to skin-plumping collagen peptides, biotin, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. Because true wellness is about nourishing health and beauty within. I'm so grateful I discovered Greenify's incredible products. They've helped me achieve incredible energy, positivity, and confidence each day. Click the link in the description box for my free ebook now to learn more about Greenify. Use the link inside the book to get greenery now. Have you used superfood green powders to boost health? Share your experience in the comments.